All right, what is up, everybody? It's me, Logan Hart. I am still alive. Believe me, I know it has been a while. I've been very slow over the past year, and what I'm going to reveal in today's video hopefully should kind of explain why that is. And I'm gonna be sharing a huge announcement with you, the main thing that I want to focus on in this video, and then go over kind of what I have planned for this channel in 2025. So if you're a big fan of the work that I do, the content that I make when I'm actually making it, stay tuned to the end. There's going to be lots of good stuff packed in this video. So let's get into it. I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet and to the point so that I can get this out quickly and save your time as well. This year definitely had its challenges, and as I said, I've just really been working towards my goals. I'm looking to try to buy some land soon, and for what it's worth, everything that I'm doing right now is to create more freedom in my own life, not only so that I'm living the things that I talk about here on this channel as far as freedom, empowerment, manifestation, but I want to get to that place in my life so that I'm actually free to do more things like grow this channel, put out more videos, serve you guys, deliver value. That's what I'm all about, and ultimately create and express myself in the many ways that I have alive inside of me that just wants to come out. So I hope you're excited for following me on this journey, for walking beside me as my friend, as my family, as my tribe. That is really what I want to cultivate here on this channel. So things are only going to get better, so just stick with me. Great things are coming. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the big updates. So the first thing that I want to share with you is the announcement of my new course. You may have seen this on my Facebook or social media. I've been posting about it where it's a lot easier to just make a post on social media instead of making a video. But I wanted to make this quick video and sort of break down exactly what that's all about and let you know what the launch special is going to be. So pretty much all last year, my time outside of trucking was consumed with two main big projects. One was the creation and launch of my business, Ostara Hydrogen Therapy, with my good friend Will Keller, and the other was the development and creation of this course, which is the Rune Shamanism course. This is going to be the first in a 3-part course trilogy called Rune Mastery that will be going basically full spectrum, everything to do with runes. So what is Rune Shamanism? In this course, I cover the fundamentals of the meanings of each rune, the academic, the mythological, the metaphysical aspects to defining what the runes are, what they can do for you, how they can shape, guide, and manifest your life as you will it to be. And this is a course that's for anyone from beginner to advanced, because though it is a fundamentals course that'll be laying down the basics, I am teaching this course in a way that I guarantee you have not seen before. I put a strong emphasis on natural law and the holistic interpretation of what not just the runes mean individually, but how they all tie together for their true essential purpose of activation, spiritual initiation, as well as teaching the ancient art of Galdr, which is chanting and using runes almost like a mantra or a way of invoking those energies based on what your particular needs and desires are in that moment. So that is what this course is all about, and I highly encourage you to check it out. And if you're going to do so, what better opportunity than to take advantage of my early bird launch special bundle. So what does that include? Well, what you're going to get is a runic meditation guide PDF download, a discounted price of $67 instead of the full price, which will be $97, so that's $30 off. And the first 10 people that purchase and enroll in this course will also be getting a 30-minute one-on-one guidance session with me personally, where we can answer any questions that you have about the material or your personal needs and give you tips or advice, whatever you need regarding runes and how you can apply and practice them in your own life. So, how does this work? This course is going to be going live January 19th at noon Central Time. So, if you are watching this video today, which is going up on the 18th, Saturday, then click the link below, get on the wait list, and you'll be the first to get access to jump in and try to get those first 10 spots and guarantee your spot in the early bird discount. If you are seeing this after that window closes, which is Monday the 20th at midnight, after that, the doors closed, the bonuses will go away, and the price will move to full price at $97 from that point on. Get on the wait list. If you're watching this after that special has ended, then click the second link below that takes you to the Rune Shamanism page. You can still get access to it, and it's still an amazing course to go through at that price as well. All right, so that's Rune Shamanism. Very, very excited to be announcing that, rolling this out with this special limited time deal. So let's talk about what's next. Later this year, I will be opening a new tier on Patreon. This is going to give you more exclusive content, extended content. So everything here on YouTube will only be under 1 hour. All my new podcast episodes, interviews, all of that kind of stuff, anything over 1 hour will only be available on the Wizard tier of the Patreon. That's going to be coming out later this year, and we'll also be doing monthly group calls in a private setting, so you and I and whoever else is there, we can get together and gather and talk to each other, ask questions, share what's going on in our lives and different problems and challenges, celebrate our wins, just really like almost like a support group. I'll be offering like free group rune readings as well, just to sort of get a read on the energies that are at play, what we can be working on within ourselves, within our lives. You'll also get certain exclusive discounts and specials on, say, things like merch or courses or anything else for that matter, that'll only be available to you. So let me know if that sounds good to you, if that's something you'd be interested in. Drop a comment. And also, what other perks would you like to see included in this tier? I'd love to know. All right, so we've got the new course. We've got a new Patreon tier coming out with even more focused content. The other thing I wanted to share is just generally, I'm going to be coming out with a lot more content this year. Last year, I got really slowed down with these big projects. These things just really take a lot of time and a lot of work, in addition to driving this truck thousands of miles every week and just trying to keep my own life and goals on track. It is a tremendous task. But I am really excited to be able to get back to making more content again this year. And I've got a lot of really great stuff planned out, a lot of episodes already written, awesome guests lined up. But I would like to know from you, what sort of content, what sort of topics would you like me to cover? What guests would you like me to collaborate with, to have on, or to, to create something together with other creators? I'm very down for that. So let me know that down below in the comments. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about here before I wrap this up is just follow the Wizard Factory on social media. Things have been really slow with engagement. I've come back with more posting. I'm going to be posting more reels and shorts and things like that. But the algorithm gods are not smiling on me, and I need your help. So, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and, actually really engage with the content. If you like something, like it, leave a comment. That really helps. That helps the channel grow. It helps the content get seen by more people, and I really am creating some good stuff, all original. I'm not really doing any more reposting of other people's memes and stuff. I'm creating my own original content. I think you will really enjoy that. So again, that would help out tremendously if you could just follow and engage. That's it. And also make sure you join the Telegram if you haven't already. All of those links will be down below. So that's all I wanted to say about that. And make sure you have notifications on for this channel so that you will know when all the new good stuff is dropping. So that pretty much covers everything. Again, jump into the Rune Shamanism course. You will not regret it. I've already got some amazing testimonials. Those are featured on the website. So when you click that link down below, you can watch what some of the other people that have already gone through this have said about it, and people are absolutely raving about it. So I'm very proud of what I've created with this. As I said, it really is something truly unique and special. I wanted to bring something new and fresh to how runes are taught, so that people truly understand the power and benefit that they can share in your life. So I'm excited to see you inside there and hear all of your feedback. Tell me what you think about it. But that's all I wanted to share with you today. Just, strap in. And if you're still with us this far, thank you very much for all the support. And I'm going to be really coming back in hot in 2025 and taking this platform to the next level. So much love to you all. Thanks for watching everything. Make sure you like below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Again, hit the bell notification. And I will see you very soon. I've already got a couple new videos coming out this week, including a new astrological report with Rodney. So stay tuned for that. Much love to you all, and I'll see you again soon.